Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to Gradeup. Good evening, all of you, and welcome to Gradeup, friends. Good evening, all of you, and welcome to Gradeup. A warm welcome from the team at Gradeup, friends. So today we have assembled over here to discuss a very important session. Today we have a very important session on Chief Justices of High Courts in India. So today we are going to discuss the various Chief Justices of various High Courts in India, keeping in mind that in CLAT, ALIT and other law entrance examination, you might be asked certain questions relating to who is the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court, who is the Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court, who is the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court, or who is the Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court. So in your CLAT entrance examination, you can be asked all these type of questions. So keeping that in mind, keeping those kind of questions in mind, we have brought to you this important session for the day. So what are the couple of things that you should note? Name of the High Court, name of the Chief Justice, and the jurisdiction. So let me tell you, what is the jurisdiction? There are various high courts in India. As on today, there are 25 high courts. As on today, there are 25 high courts in India. But there are certain high courts which has territorial jurisdiction over other places also. So, the Allahabad High Court might have jurisdiction over just Uttar Pradesh. But the Bombay High Court has jurisdiction over Goa, has jurisdiction over Dadar, Nagar and Haveli. So understand this. All the things that you need to know is number one, the name of the High Court, the name of the High Court. Number two that you need to know is the Chief Justice's concern. And number three, you should know the jurisdiction of those very high court. Okay. So let us begin today's class and understand who are the Chief Justice of the High Courts in India. This is part 1 of the class. There are total 25 High Courts. Today we are going to cover around 12 High Courts, and in part 2 we are going to cover the rest. Okay. So as on 1st of May 2020, we have kept the date as 1st of May 2020, who has been the Chief Justices. Okay. The first, Allahabad High Court. The Allahabad High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Uttar Pradesh. And the Chief Justice is Justice Govind Mathur. Justice Govind Mathur is the Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, which has jurisdiction over the entire state of Uttar Pradesh, friends. Am I clear? Okay. Up next, friends, is the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Who is the Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court? Chief Justice Maheshwari. Chief Justice Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari is the Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Very important. Very important, friends. The Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court is Justice Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari. And the High Court of Andhra Pradesh has a territorial jurisdiction over the entire state of Andhra Pradesh. Am I clear? Very important. Okay. Am I clear? Up next is the Bombay High Court. A Bombay High Court. Who is the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court? The Chief Justice of Bombay High Court is Justice Deepankar Gupta. The Chief Justice of Bombay High Court is Justice Deepankar Gupta. Am I clear, friends? Okay. Am I clear? The High Court of Andhra Pradesh. The High Court of Andhra Pradesh is in, okay. Yes, tell me. What are your doubts? Okay. The, the capital is Amravati. Okay. Amravati. Okay. The next High Court, okay. The next comes is Bombay High Court. The name of the High Court is Bombay. It has territorial jurisdiction over Goa, Dadra, Nagar, Haveli, Daman and Diu. Am I clear? Deepankar Datta is the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. Deepankar Datta is the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, friends. Okay. So the Bombay High Court has territorial jurisdiction over Goa, Dadar, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, as well as Maharashtra. Up next is the Calcutta High Court. The Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court is T.B. Radhakrishnan. Justice T.B. Radhakrishnan is the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. And the Calcutta High Court has jurisdiction not only of West Bengal but also of Andaman and Nicobar Island. That means the Calcutta High Court has territorial jurisdiction over Andaman, Nicobar and West Bengal. And the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court is Justice Radhakrishnan. Am I clear, friends? Okay. Up next is the Chhattisgarh High Court. Justice P.R.R. Menon. Justice Menon is the Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court. Justice P.R. Ramachandra Menon is the present Chief Justice of the Chhattisgarh High Court. And the Chhattisgarh High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Chhattisgarh. Am I clear, friends? Okay. Okay. Let's move ahead. Let's come to the Delhi High Court. Who is the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court? Most of you know it. He is Justice D.N. Patel. Justice D.N. Patel is the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. Justice D.N. Patel is the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. And the jurisdiction of Delhi High Court is throughout the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Very, very important. Okay. So the jurisdiction of Delhi High Court is the entire National Capital Territory of Delhi. Am I clear? Okay. Up next is the Guwahati High Court. Up next is the Guwahati High Court, friends. Who is the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court? The Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court is Justice Ajay Lamba. Justice Ajay Lamba is the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court. And the Guwahati High Court has jurisdiction over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram and Nagaland. So here is a High Court which does not only have jurisdiction over one state, it has jurisdiction over 4 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram and Nagaland. Very, very important. Very, very important, friends. Okay. So the Guwahati High Court, please remember this, the Guwahati High Court has jurisdiction over Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh does not have its own High Court. Assam has a High Court, that is the Guwahati High Court. Mizoram does not have its own High Court. Nagaland does not have its own High Court. So all matters that arises from Nagaland goes before the High Court of Guwahati. Am I clear, friends? Fantastic. Up next is Gujarat. The Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court is Justice Vikram Nath. Justice Vikram Nath is the present Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court. The jurisdiction of Gujarat High Court, is the entire state of Gujarat. Very, very important. Please note these things down, friends. These are very, very important session, and I'm sure that some questions or the other will definitely come from these things, from this session. Okay, please keep this in your mind. Okay, yes, there are certain benches. Okay, for example, the Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court has a bench in Aurangabad, in Nagpur. Okay, okay, as well as in Goa, but that is separate. Benches are different. Okay, for example, the Calcutta High Court has a bench in Andaman. Okay, so that is different. Please do not get into that. Okay, up next is the Himachal Pradesh High Court. Who is the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court? Justice Lingappa Narayana Swamy. Justice Lingappa Swamy happens to be the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court, and the High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Himachal Pradesh. Am I clear? So the Himachal High Court, the Himachal Pradesh High Court is headed by Chief Justice Lingappa Narayana Swamy. Justice Lingappa Swamy happens to be the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh. And the jurisdiction of this High Court extends to the entire state of Himachal Pradesh. Am I clear? Up next is the Common High Court for the Union Territory of Jammu, Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. So, before Article 370 came to be abolished or came to be struck down by the Parliament after the abolition of Article 370 of the Constitution of India, today you have two different union territories. One is the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The other one is the Union Territory of Ladakh. Both these two union territories has a common high court. The common high court is called the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Okay, so there is a common high court for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh, which is situated in Srinagar, and the Chief Justice is Miss Geeta Mittal. She is a female judge. Please keep this in your mind. The other judges that we had spoken about are all male. Okay, Justice Geeta Mittal comes from Delhi High Court. She is a fantastic judge, a fantastic woman judge in Jammu and Kashmir. She is the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, the Common High Court for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. Up next is the Jharkhand High Court. Justice Ravi Ranjan is the Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court, and the Jharkhand High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Jharkhand. The Jharkhand High Court has a jurisdiction over the entire state of Jharkhand. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Up next is Karnataka High Court. The Karnataka High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Karnataka. The Karnataka High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Karnataka, and it is headed by Chief Justice Abhay Ok. Chief Justice Abhay Ok is heading the Karnataka High Court. Am I clear, friends? The Karnataka High Court is headed by Justice Abhay Srinivas Ok, AS Ok. Okay, and the Karnataka High Court has jurisdiction over the entire state of Karnataka. Am I clear, friends? Friends, with this we come to the end of today's class. Do like the session and share this session with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Do share the session, do like the session, and definitely you guys are all aware of the fact that Gradeup has come up with a course, a batch 2 of a crash course called a Scoreup course for law entrance examination 2020. do enroll yourself for the said course, because that is where you will get to know a lot of important stuff which is going to help in your preparation for your CLAT and other law entrance examination. So with this, we come to the end of today's class. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you very, very much, and God bless you. Thank you.